Welcome to mtstechnik workshop. My name is Kasper, I am an engineer here, and in this video I've got something special for fans of classic German limousines. This is our Coilover suspension kit designed for BMW E38 7 Series. This kit is available in two variants, street and stance. They differ in spring stiffness. This kit consists of 4 threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc coating. These are the front ones, these are the rear ones. They all feature hexacoil adjustment nuts. Thanks to the use of this tiny clamping screw, hexacoils significantly enhance the ease of height adjustment. As you can see in front of me, we use springs made by a German company, eibach. Up front, we've got ERS type springs with linear characteristics. Their unified diameters allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. On the rear, we've got dedicated progressive springs, keeping your rear wheels planted, ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving performance. All 4 springs are paired with helper springs for added preload. Besides the main components being shocks and springs, you will also get dedicated bump stops and dust covers, black anodized aluminum front spring caps, and zinc-coated replacement sway bar links. In the package, besides the kit itself, you will also get some gadgets such as an adjustment wrench, stickers, and any necessary documentation, such as a very comprehensive installation manual and TÜV certificate. Thanks for watching.